Hi boys and girls, and welcome to our second topic lesson. Now for this lesson you're going to need the map that you created in our last input, so make sure you have it close by. In the next clip I'm going to go through your activity and what you're expected to do to finish this lesson. Next week you'll be given 2 more topic lessons to build upon, so once again please make sure you keep that map really safe. Now, our learning intention for today is we are learning to extend our mental maps and sense of place. Now, this was the same as our learning intention for the last lesson, so we're still focusing in on achieving that. Our success criteria are I can create and use my own map of Scotland, and I can locate key features within Scotland. Again, in our last input, we focused mainly on that first criteria, so today we're going to be looking at the second one. On your screen just now, I'm going to show you a number of pictures. I want you to think what the pictures are of, where they might be, and why I have shown you them. You might want to pause the video to have a discussion, or just pause the video to think about your responses. Now these pictures were all taken in different areas of Scotland. Now places like these have special names and they're known as landmarks. Normally when people are trying to find landmarks, they'll use a map. Now you might remember that you were asked to have your Scotland map ready for this lesson. Now that's because for your task today, we're going to be looking at landmarks and we're going to be using your maps to do so. On your screen just now, you can see the outline that was uploaded to your Microsoft Teams. On the right hand side, you can see an example map that was created by a pupil in Primary 7. Now this pupil has already labelled key areas in Scotland, so you can see how she's managed to colour in and add labels. Now what we're going to do is something very similar. Instead of adding labels for places in Scotland, we're going to add labels for key landmarks. So that is your task for today. Using your Scotland map, you're going to label key landmarks and areas in Scotland. You can research these landmarks using Google Maps or any other software online. You might also have books that you can use to help you. When you've finished labelling your map, you can submit it on Microsoft Teams or Class Dojo. We're focusing in on achieving that second success criteria of locating key features within Scotland. If you need any help, remember to ask your teachers.